first and foremost, we put the equation y equals to 2 plus x square. Then we type function and choose for the starting and end value. Then we put the equation again, which is 2 plus x square, and we put the starting point, which is 1, and the end is 2. Next, we put the n equals to 2 pi. Next, we want to find the surface, so we put the equation a equals to surface, and then we click the curve, angle and line. For the curve, we put the equation gx and n, and then the line is y-axis. So here we can see how the shape has been produced.
First, type the function. And then set the limit. And then create the slider. And we set the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 2 pi. And now we generate the 3D surface by rotating the curve around the y-axis.
So first, write the function fx equals to 1 over 5 x cubed, and then write gx with the command function and press the enter. So as you can see, there's 3 options. You must choose the second one. So the option asks you to insert the function start as value and x value. So we are going to remove f function. So we will insert f, and the start value are in between 0 and n value is 2. So on that we will write the and value equals to 2 pi, it means that the shape that are produced are going to be in 3D shape. So let's write surface command, surface, and choose the second option again. In this command, it asks you to insert curve, angle, and line. The curve means that you are going to rotate. Which curve are you going to rotate? So we are going to rotate the G curve because it already has the interval, so it's more specific. So you will write G, and angle you will write N, means that it's going to produce a 3D shape. Again, I explained. And then line, you can choose either you want to rotate on x-axis or y-axis, but for this function, I'll decide for this function, it asks you to rotate on x-axis, so it will be going to revolve around x-axis. So this is the final result of our revolving.
Hi guys, today I want to teach you about how to generate 3D surface of revolution by using GeoGebra. Okay, first step is I define the function which is fx equal to 3x plus 3, which is a straight line. Then I choose a suitable color that I can see properly on the graph. Next, I will put the domain of the function by defining function equal to 3x plus 3, where 0 less equal x and x less equal 1. You can choose whatever color you want on this part also. For step 3, if you want a full revolution, which is 2 pi, then you just type n equal to 2 pi, which is 360 degrees for a one full revolution. After that, I use the surface command, which is surface equal to g and x-axis, which the rotated of the function around the x-axis. So if you want to use y-axis, then you can just change x-axis to y-axis. As a result, GeoGebra already generated a 3D surface of revolution formed by rotating the line from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. So this is all from me. I hope this can help you guys to further understanding in calculus.
I will show how to create a 3D surface using GeoGebra 3D graphing calculator. First thing first, we need to open GeoGebra 3D calculator, and then in the input bar, type the function. And then we put the limit. And then we create a slider. We set the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 2 pi. Now we generate the 3D surface by rotating the curve around the y-axis. Now, we can see the shape of 3D for this function.